We've decided to break all our own rules this year, haven't we?
We
Like
have.
Xmas. Oh, it's going to be so spiky.
Hi.
And as of in demand that Sonny is, he's making an appearance. Although he's not now. Oh dear.
Bless you. A bit of a cold. So, what are we doing today?
We are taking a table that we got with a lot, before we started showing you the lots we got. That's
Which
not easy
is
to say.
crafted in Taiwan and a modern, shiny doll's house table. Which isn't... Careful of the holly. Which doesn't go with any of our sort of doll's house aesthetics.
Don't sit on the sandpaper.
So we have decided that we are going to make use of it in a way that because otherwise we wouldn't. So we're going to have a go at aging down to make...
Just knocked all the Christmas decorations over. Maybe move them out.
Have a go at aging this down to make it our dining room table in the Christmas room.
First things first, sanding.
Sanding, which means...
There, sanded. It has a key now.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't have to be completely sanded off, but just enough to give it a key for paint. What colour?
I just sort of want it...
Brown.
Distressed.
Oh, what you do?
I don't know, I kind of don't mind...
Well, I'll have to sand it down more if you're not
Well,
going to
no,
paint it.
but I don't know if we maybe just go at it a little bit with some white spirit in streaks.
Do you think that'll work?
I don't know.
We could try.
You can try, can't we?
Yeah.
We'll have to get rid of
You're going to get rid of the purry cat.
Hairy Boy because he won't like the...
Smell.
Yeah, I'll have to get rid of Purry Boy.
It's not going to like that.
No. Sorry. There you go. Mum went at it with the elbow grease. And there it is. The table. Nice, I like it. We also have, in the same material, this modern chaise longue. Which is nice, but again, doesn't go with
What we want.
any of our doll's houses. But it is a lovely chaise longue, so we are going to sand it again. Try have a go at distressing it and recovering it with hopefully some ticking, because we're sort of going for a primitive Victorian period Little Women Christmas. There's all sorts of different influences going on. So off you go for some more sanding.
Thanks.
We're gonna put the fabric on now because we realised that we're sort of distressing the fabric too, which is...
What, you quite like the pink now? I've distressed
I
it.
don't know about the pink. It would be...
Well, let me keep wording it down and see what the pink looks
yeah,
like.
okay. Yeah, because we can always make it a bit darker or age it. Yeah, I quite like the pink.
Okay. It looks better now. It's just
It
already
does,
been aged
yeah.
down, hasn't it?
Right. So, should we stain and distress the fabric a bit more?
Probably.
I think so. this needs to be really watered down though, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Shiny. A little bit shiny, it's okay. What's he got on his paw? He's got a leaf.
Is yours on black?
I don't know. Maybe.
And maybe put some in the dimples of the...
Yeah. Should I have done that in the brown?
I don't know, just make it more watery.
But then the brown would almost look like hobnails. Yeah, I might try and do it in brown. Oh no, this is going to look like dry. I'm really intrigued. Yeah, we can always go in with a second layer.
Mm-hmm. Wow, it looks old.
It's an heirloom. Because I knew there's some people, there's always this debate, isn't it, about like aging things down because they wouldn't have been old at the time. But we're going for sort of, yeah, in my head it's just Little Women. And I remember that those sorts of houses, they would have had...
Red Bear.
Yeah, and they would have had furniture that they'd been passed down through generations, and you didn't just buy a new piece of furniture, you used patchwork and yeah, stuff like that. So, little heirloom chaise longue. So unfortunately, one of our Mudmas films got a little bit corrupted and we lost the footage. So we can show this at this point, which is a tiny little Christmas pudding made out of a button, a marble, 2 bits of sort of verdigris copper, and 2 red seed beads.
The icing was made with PVA glue and white paint.
It was. So we are going to be, one of the last episodes of Mudmas will be making the whole Christmas dinner, but unfortunately the Christmas pudding that we made in advance is already made.
Yeah,
but
we did make a Christmas cake too, but then we thought it didn't look primitive enough.
No, didn't quite work. So we're going to be redoing the Christmas cake.
I think it did work, but it looks a bit too modern for this.
It does.
Look at the
It's
tiny
a
little snowman you made out of sea glass.
Tile, and then a snowman and Christmas tree made out of sea glass and seed beads and that sort of thing, but it doesn't go with the theme we're going for, so we're going to be making which I'm quite excited about, a period correct
Christmas
nut and fruit Christmas
that
cake.
Will go in one of our other doors.
Yeah, it can. You're going to try and write Merry Christmas on it. So we hope you enjoyed episode 2. Episode 3 tomorrow, I think, is going to be putting a fireplace and sort of garland and swag in, which is exciting. And then we've also got some newspaper crafts, some toys, Christmas tree. Yes. So yeah, hope you're having a good start of December, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye!